from my own experience as a constituency MP, this issue about the quality of local roads and potholes is absolutely at the top of the agenda for local authorities. So on the funding issue, they're absolutely going to get more funding, further £8.3 billion over 10 years. My department in the very near future will be setting out the local authority allocations of that £8.3 billion. They should take the time and the trouble to think about how effectively they're going to turn that money into improved roads, and innovative solutions like the one we've seen here today with the Pothole Pro. It's about having a very productive way of repairing potholes. I have been impressed with what I've seen. Any innovation that can turn that cash into better roads will be of value to local authorities, the contractors they employ, and ultimately to the drivers that use the roads.